Would you like to automate your data acquisition processing time and save your company hundreds of thousands of dollars? Most of the ETL tools used today not only take up a lot of resources, but require a lot of man-hours. On average, a small to mid-sized company can spend over $600,000 per year for their data migration team. Not to mention the risk involved with traditional migrations such as data loss, downtime, technical compatibility, data corruption, and application performance issues. So, what's the solution? Wintec created A2B Data, an automated software tool that outperforms the competition by taking data from multiple sources into one unified place using point-and-click technology. Not only is A2B Data fast, but it's secure. Your confidential data stays confidential because it never leaves your data center. A2B Data also provides accuracy because it is metadata driven, which means you never have to write any code. A2B Data provides all the necessary data acquisition functions with best practices in mind, in a fraction of the time and with a fraction of the cost. Currently, Wintec's healthcare clients are processing over 2,500 tables and averaging over 3.6 billion row updates daily with A2B Data. If you are ready to accelerate your secure, real-time data landing and staging within minutes, email a member of our sales team today to schedule your demo.